Welcome to Exams Ready. SBI PO recruitment for 2020 has out. In this video, I am going to share you how to apply for this recruitment in your home. Notification was released on probationary officer vacancies. Now the online application gets opened and I will show you how to apply for this. And see, this is the main page of SBI, State Bank of India, and this is the applying page. So I am just giving this link in description box. You can go through that and it opens this window and see here it is recruitment of probationary officer advertisement number. They had given some important announcement dates as commencement of online registration starts from 14/11/2020 and it is ends up by 4/12/2020 and editing of application details it also ends by 4/12/2020 and for printing your application last date is by 19/12/2020 and online fee payment ends by 14/11/2020 to 4/12/2020. These are the things they had given and I will show you how to apply for this recruitment. And at first you want to go through this, click here for new registration. So just by clicking this it redirects to the application form page. And see here, this is the application page. We are going to fill 5 basic details. So at first you want to give your basic information like your name and your mobile number, that things, and then you want to give your photo and signature, and then third thing you want to give your details like your qualification, preferred examination center, that wise detail in this third section. And for fourth section that is going to preview your application page, and then finally you are going to pay fee for this recruitment. These are the things we are going to do to apply for this examination, and I will show you how to fill this application form. At first they are asking for first name, so just give your name, and I'm just giving my name, and then you want to confine your name, so I'm just confining my name. And then if you have any middle name you want to give that in this section, or else skip that and you want to give your last name, that is your initial, and then you want to give your mobile number at this section, and then you want to confine your mobile number. If you have any alternative mobile number you want to give that in this section, or else skip that, and then you want to give your email address. So and then your domain name here, so just give your domain name. I'm just giving gmail.com and that is my domain, so you want to give your domain name here, and then I'm going to confine my mail address. So for this you want to give your mobile number and email ID which is presently in your hand. These are the things you want to do to apply for this examination, because they send some confirmation message to your mobile number. So mobile number and your email address is very important to apply for this. So yes, I had filled all those basic details, and then I'm going to give save and next. So yes, it asks for your data entered is correct or not. Just by clicking OK it redirects to next page. And see here you want to upload your photograph and your signature. Just by choosing your file you are going to upload your photograph and signature. I'm just going to give my photograph here. Yes, I'm just adding some dummy photography for your reference, because I'm just showing you how to apply for this. So I'm just inserting on dummy photography and also dummy signature I'm going to upload for this. Yes, and I had successfully uploaded my photography and signature, and then check your photograph and signature it is correct or not, and then you want to give next. So just by clicking this it redirects to next page. Yes, and here you are going to fill 2 columns. Like at first you want to fill your basic details, and then next column you want to give your educational qualification details in this section. At first they are asking for your category, just you want to give your category. So I'm just giving OBC. You want to give your category here. So and then you want to give your subcaste, so your caste, so you want to give that section here. So I'm just clicking this. You want to give your caste. So and then if you are disabled person, click yes, or else click no. So and then next and these columns are for a disabled person. So if you are seeking for scribe, so like this detail they are asking here, and then they are asking for your religion. So I'm just giving Hindu, so you want to give your religion, and then your if you are belonging to religious minority community or not. So if yes, click yes, or else click no. So and then next it asks for your if you are ex-serviceman or not. So if you are ex-serviceman, just click yes or else click no, and then skip this section. So and then they are asking for, do you have any repayment or a credit card dues in the bank, likewise detail they are asking. So if you have any repayment, loans, credit card issues in bank, so you want to click yes in this section or else click no. And then they are asking for, do you have any adverse report regarding character, attendance or moral turpitude. So like you have any cases in criminal cases, if you are included, so you there is any case against you in police station, so they are asking for that. If you have likewise any that, you want to click yes or else click no. And then they are asking for if you are an employee of State Bank of India in clerical grade. So if you are working in State Bank of India as clerk, so you want to click yes or else click no. And also they are asking for, if you are an employee of State Bank, if yes click yes or else click no. And then it asks for, you are an ex-employee of State Bank of India, so if yes click yes or else click no. So likewise detail they are asking. So and they are asking for, please ensure you are eligible to apply for this or not. So and then next you want to give your PAN number. So if you have your PAN number, you want to give your PAN number or else skip this box. And then move to next. Nationality, yes, Indian. And then state you are belonging to, so I am just giving Tamil Nadu. You want to give your state, respective state, in this box. And center for examination, yes, I am choosing Madurai. You want to you can choose your preferred location in this section to write examination. And then state, so also it also asking for state, so yes, I am just giving Tamil Nadu. And then you want to give two examination center. First is for preliminary examination and the next is for mains examination. So I am just giving both as Madurai, so you can give your preferred location under that section. And then you want to give your personal details like your date of birth, so yes, I am giving my date of birth. And then it asks for your gender, I am giving female, you want to give your gender. So and then marital status, I am giving unmarried, give it according to your. And then you want to give your father name, just for your reference I am typing as father. So and also if your father has any middle name, you want to give that here or else skip that, and you want to give your father's last name, that is his initial. So on the next you want to give your mother name, so yes, these are the things you want to give. So if you are a married person, you want to give your spouse name in this box. And then you want to give your address, so yes, I am giving my address. So just give your address in this section. And then you want to give your district, says I am just giving Madurai. You want to give your district. And then state, says I am belonging to Tamil Nadu, so I am just giving Tamil Nadu. So and then you want to give your postal code number, so I am just giving Madurai's postal code, so you want to give that too. And then it asks for same as of correspondent, so both the address are same or not. So like your permanent address and communication address, it is same, just click on this button. Or else you want to give specifically your both addresses in this sections. And then it asks for, you want to give GST invoicing your address, so communication address or permanent address, both addresses are same for me, so I am just giving communication address. And then they had given application fee as rupees 750 rupees. So at last you want to pay this amount, just keep your amount with you, you can pay using your yes, it shows for verified successfully. I am just clicking OK and it redirects to next page. Just by clicking save and next, it redirects to next page. And see here, I am going to give my educational experience language details in this sections. At first it asks for graduation by equivalent details, so I am just giving my degree. So I have completed engineering, so I am giving engineering. And then name of the institution, so yes, you want to give your college name. And then place of institution, likewise detail you want to give here. So and then date of passing, so yes, I am giving my date of passing. So and then percentage of marks you had obtained. So and then you want to give your class by grade, so yes, I am giving that. And you have any integrated dual degree, here you want to give if you are appearing or else past. So if you have any integrated dual degree, you want to give that here. If you have any post graduation, you want to give that. And then if you have any professional qualification, and you want to give that in this section. And then if you have any other qualifications, you can give in this boxes. And then next it asks for whether you want to pre-exam training, so that is only for SC, ST and religious minority community. So if you are belonging to that category, it opens for you. For that you want to give yes, and then you want to give your training belongs, and then your state code, and then your training place, likewise detail you want to give that here. So I'm just giving next languages known. So I'm just giving Tamil, English. So you want to give in this section your preferred languages, that is your known languages. So I'm just giving read, write and speak. So yes, and at last you want to give validate your details. So it is validating your details, and then yes, it is verified successfully. I'm just clicking OK and then save and next. So yes, this is the preview of your application, and at last you want to give this confirming this is my photo, and then you want to check your application fully, because if you have any mistakes, you want to correct this at this time. If you skip this, you can correct your application form, and then you want to confirm your signature, and then you want to give final submit. So yes, I'm giving OK. So yes, at last you want to pay your payment here. So you want to give for that reCAPTCHA, and then if you give submit, you can pay your fee here. So these are the things you want to do for this applying for the State Bank of India PO recruitment. And I hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.